Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. Today we are going to talk about a major update from EPFO, something that's going to completely transform how employees access their Provident Fund. That is, how to withdraw PF through ATM. EPFO is introducing EPFO 3.0, a new version that brings something really exciting features. With upgrade, employees will be able to enjoy auto-claim settlement, instant PF withdrawals through ATMs and UPIs, and easy fund transfers directly to their preferred bank account. This means withdrawing your PF will soon be as simple and quick as using your ATM card or UPI app. No long waiting periods, no complicated paperwork, everything will be faster and more seamless. In short, EPFO 3.0 aims to make the PF withdrawal process quickly, digital, and completely hassle-free for everyone. Let's understand the agenda, that is nothing but the video synopsis, what we'll be learning in this complete video. Here we'll be learning what is EPFO. In this topic, we will be learning about EPFO 3.0, the digital upgrade that simplifies Provident Fund services for members. And we will understand about the official launch date and rollout details of EPFO 3.0. Then we also see the key differences between traditional PF withdrawal and the new EPFO 3.0 withdrawal process. Here we will learn how to withdraw your PF instantly using ATM cards or UPI apps. Then we will check out the eligibility conditions of members must fulfill to use EPFO 3.0 services. Then we will see about the essential documents required for a smooth PF withdrawal process. Here we will learn how EPFO 3.0 integrates with ATM and UPI platforms for faster and secure transaction. Then we will learn about the withdrawal limits, rules and conditions under EPFO 3.0. Then we will cover the new flexibility points available for managing pension contributions. Here we will also see the major benefits that EPFO 3.0 offers to salaried employees. And finally, we'll learn about the potential tasks and security challenges associated with EPFO 3.0 digital transactions. Wasting no time, let's get into the video and let's see what EPFO 3.0 is. What is EPFO 3.0? EPFO is launching version 3.0, a powerful IT-driven platform designed to make member services faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever. With this upgrade, members will get several new features such as auto-claim settlement, digital corrections, and instant fund withdrawals through ATMs and UPIs. You will also be able to check your PF balance directly on UPI, transfer funds instantly to your preferred bank account, and even update your PF details securely using OTP verification. Now let's see the launch date of EPFO 3.0. The launch date of EPFO 3.0 is expected to be announced very soon. A high-level meeting chaired by Union Labour and Employment Ministry Manshukh Mandavia is scheduled for the second week of October. During this meeting, the official rollout date for EPFO version 3.0 is likely to be finalized and announced. So, we can expect the new version to go live shortly after that, bringing all the existing new features to EPFO members across the country. Now let us understand the difference between traditional PF withdrawal process and the new EPFO 3.0 system. Earlier, PF withdrawal used to be taking a lot of time. The claim processing itself could take up to 20 days before the amount was credited. But under 3.0 of EPFO, about 95% of the claims will be processed automatically, which means your money will be reached to you much faster. In the traditional method, accessing your PF funds usually took 7 to 10 working days, and you also need your employee's attestation before submitting a claim. Now, with EPFO 3.0, the members will receive ATM-like cards, allowing them to withdraw cash or access their PF funds instantly, anytime and anywhere. When it comes to updating details, the traditional system required you to fill out multiple forms and visit the EPFO office for any correction. But in EPFO 3.0, you can update or correct your PF account details yourself, all through OTP verification directly from your registered device. Lastly, in the old system, you could withdraw up to 100% of your PF balance after retirement or 2 months of unemployment. However, under EPFO 3.0, there will be a cap of 50% on withdrawal to ensure that the members don't exhaust their savings during emergencies and continue to have finance secure for the future. So, overall, EPFO 3.0 is all about making the entire PF withdrawal process faster, simpler, and more secure for employees. Now let's see how to withdraw your PF through ATM and UPI under EPFO 3.0. With this new system, the process is going to be easy as withdrawing money from your regular bank account. First, every PF member will be issued a PF withdrawal card which will work just like a bank ATM card. This card will be linked directly to your EPF account, allowing you to access your funds easily. You will also be able to withdraw your PF using EPI, making the process even faster and more convenient. However, there may be a limit of 50% on withdrawals to help members save the remaining balance for emergency situations and future security. In short, with EPFO 3.0, withdrawing your Provident Fund will be more instant, simple, and completely digital, just like using your ATM or UPI app. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for members to withdraw their PF amount smoothly under EPFO 3.0. To ensure a hassle-free withdrawal, members need to make sure the following. Your UAN number, that is, Universal Account Number, must be activated. The mobile number linked to your UAN should be active and in working condition. UAN must be linked with all your KYC documents such as Aadhaar, PAN, bank account number, and IFSC code. Once these conditions are met, you'll be able to withdraw your PF easily and enjoy the new instant withdrawal features of EPFO 3.0 without any delays. Let's now look at the documents required for PF withdrawal under EPFO 3.0. To successfully withdraw your PF amount, you must make sure that you have the following documents ready: a valid address proof, a valid identity proof, one blank and cancelled check that clearly shows your bank account number and IFSC code, and of course your UAN, that is Universal Account Number. Having these documents in place will make your PF withdrawal process quick, smooth, and completely hassle-free. Now let's talk about the ATM and UPI integration under EPFO 3.0. To make the EPF process more seamless and convenient, EPFO has partnered with 32 public and private sector banks. This collaboration will allow employers to directly deposit PF contribution into the banks where they can maintain employer. By doing this, the entire system becomes more efficient and claiming process time is expected to be down to just 3 days. So, this integration with ATMs and UPIs is not just about instant withdrawals. It's about creating a faster, smoother, and more connected experience for every PF member. Now let's understand the withdrawal limits and rules under EPFO 3.0. The amount you can withdraw depends upon the reason for withdrawal of your years of service. If a PF member has completed 5 years of service and wants to purchase or construct a house, they can withdraw up to 90% of their PF contribution. In case of a medical emergency, members can withdraw the lower of the employee's share with interest or 6 months of basic wages and DA with interest. After 7 years of employment, a member can withdraw 50% of the PF contribution with interest for education or marriage purposes. And 1 year before retirement, for members above 54 years, an account holder can withdraw up to 90% of their PF contribution. So depending upon your situation, EPFO 3.0 ensures that you can access your PF funds while still keeping your savings secure for the future. Now let's talk about the pension contribution flexibility under EPFO 3.0. With the new system, there might be some changes in how much of the employee's salary goes towards PF contributions, as well as the salary limit for EPF eligibility. There are plans to raise the 12% limit to voluntary employee contribution, allowing employees or the members to contribute more if they wish. There is also a possibility of increasing the salary limit to 21,000, which would determine who is eligible to contribute to the PF. These changes aim to give employees more flexibility in planning their retirement savings and improving their pension benefits. Now let's talk about the benefits of EPFO 3.0 for the salaried employees. EPFO 3.0 brings several advantages that make managing your PF much easier. Employees no longer have to wait for days to receive their PF payments. Around 90% of the claims will be settled automatically, which means your money can reach you in hours or even minutes. You can now update your PF account details directly, reducing your reliance on your employer for corrections or updates. Employer attestation is no longer required to withdraw your PF balance, making process simpler and faster. EPFO 3.0 also provides a quick way to access cash during emergencies such as illness, marriage, or education expenses. Overall, the system is designed to make PF management faster, more flexible, and employee-friendly. Finally, let's talk about the potential risks of EPFO 3.0. While this upgrade makes PF services much simpler and faster, there are few things to be aware of. Fraudsters could try to attach skimming devices to ATMs to steal card details, which can lead to identity theft. Hidden cameras may be installed to capture the PIN during transactions. Technical issues like poor network connectivity or system glitches could cause failed transactions or even duplicate charges. So, EPFO 3.0 is highly convenient. It's important to stay conscious and vigilant while using ATMs or UPIs for PF withdrawals. So friends, this is in detail about how to withdraw PF through ATM and UPIs instantly. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.